Good morning, all of you. I am Yogesh Bhatia. Today is my topic on generation of network technology. So, what is network technology? The technology which is used to exchange the data between small and large information. This can be used to send digital data like audio, data, and visual files. By using networking, user can send messages, files through email or other channels based on the organization requirements. So next generation of technology. Generation of technology में जीरो जी 1G 2G 3G 4G एंड 5G. तो फर्स्ट है हमारा जीरो जनरेशन. वायरलेस टेलीफोन started with 0G, which became available after World War II. In those pre-cell days, mobile operators set up the calls and there were only a handful of channels available. These mobiles does not support the handover features, that is change of channel frequency. Mobile radio telephonic system produced modern cellular mobile telephone technology. Since they were proceeds of first generation of cellular telephones, these systems are called zero generation systems. First generation 1G. 1G is the first generation of wireless telephone technology. They were analog cell phones and were introduced in 1980. 1G was an old system and supported the first generation of analog cell phones speed up to 2.4 kbps. Advanced mobile phone system was first launched by US and is a 1G mobile system. Allows users to make voice call in one country. Next है second generation 2G. 2G is second generation wireless cell phones based on digital technologies and early in 1990s. 2G has greater security both sender and receiver. 2G system uses digital mobile access technology such as TDMA and CDMA. GSM was the 2G system, first 2G system. For example, a typical text file of 40 KB is transferred only 2 seconds as compared to the transfer from GPRS technology, which is 5 to 6 seconds. Next है third generation 3G. 3G is the third generation of mobile phone standards and technology, spreading 2G and preceding 4G. This plan is International Mobile Telephone 2000 standard. 3G technologies enable network operators to offer user a wide range of more advanced services. Next है हमारे पास fourth generation 4G. 4G is a concept of interoperability between different sorts of networks, which is all about how high speed and data transfer such as 0 to 100 Mbps of either the saver of or the data receiver set is moving at speed of 60 kmph. 4G is the next generation wireless network that will replace 3G networks sometimes in futures. 4G mobile technology is going to be able to download a rate of 100 Mbps like mobile access and less mobility of 1 Gbps for local access of wireless. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास फिफ्थ जनरेशन 5G. 5G generation wireless is the name used to some research papers and projects to denote the next major phase of mobile telecommunication standards beyond the upcoming 4G standards, which is accepted to be finalized between approximately 2011 and 2013. 5G network technology will open a era mobile communication technology. The 5G mobile phones will have access to different wireless technologies at the same time, and the terminal should be able to combine different flows of different technologies. So these are the generation of network technologies. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Thank you.